Hello, good evening to everyone. Today in this video I'll tell you how you can earn money using Pinterest. On the Pinterest app you can promote your website. Say for example, this is one of the URL on my website. So I'll pin an image and I'll drop my website link in the link section so that I'll publish it. Okay, I'll just publish it, and if I publish it, the users will drive from Pinterest to my website, and my website has ads. That is one way. Another way is affiliate marketing. So most of the people use affiliate marketing. I'll explain how you can use Amazon affiliating in this example clearly. Okay, let us check that. Now I'll tell you about the Amazon affiliate link programming. Okay, see here, I assume you already have a Pinterest business account. If you don't know how to create this business account, just check the link in the description. And I also assume you already have Amazon affiliate account. If you don't know how to create Amazon affiliate account, just check in the description. So for any product, that may be any product, say for example this one, you'll get link, and when you click on this get link, you have a Amazon affiliate link, so where you can copy and where you can post it here. Click on the Pinterest here and click on create pin, and here you can add that link. But before that, you need to create a graphic for this. So how you can create the graphic? You can open a video, what is this, image editor and do, or you can create using Canva or any. Just I'm assuming that you have already created one like this, so I'm just clicking on this. See here, assume this is the graphic what you have created. So instead of this, I'll go with this only, this image. Okay, I'll click on get link and I'll copy this link, and I'll be pasting the affiliate link, and I'll give the title like somewhat this title. Okay, I'll take it from the Amazon only. I'll be posting this description also, but for the description you need to definitely add hash ad or hash affiliate, because these are the terms and conditions. And there are some ads or the products which you cannot promote on the Pinterest, so you need to read the terms and conditions. Okay, so only some products you can promote in order to earn money, because even though when you publish this, I didn't choose the board, that's the reason this error has occurred twice. Okay, I'll be clicking on the publish here. The pin is published, and when some user clicks on this link, that user will be directed to here, and if they purchase, you will get that commission of the sale. So in this way, these are only two ways as I discussed in this video. There may be some other ways where you can earn Pinterest money, but I am much aware of these two topics, that driving traffic to your blog or YouTube channel or a website, and the second one is the most common people using one is this affiliate programming. If you do have any other questions, I did a detailed video, just check it in the description. In that video I have explained something like what are the do's and what are the don'ts for this.